मणिपूर सुरू आशिल्ल्या हिंसक वादाविशीं मणिपूरच्या सरकाराक तशेंच केंद्र सरकाराक कांयच पडून गेल्लें ना असो आरोप अलायन्स फॉर जस्टिस अँड हार्मनी ह्या गोंयच्या बिगर सरकारी संघटनेन केला। देशात कायदो आनी सुवेवस्था पेड्ड्यार जाल्या। आयज जे मणिपुरांत घडटा ते फाल्यां गोंयांत घडपाक चड वेळ लागचो ना अशें मत संघटनेच्या वांगड्यांनी व्यक्त केलां। मडगांवच्या लोहिया मैदानाचेर आयोजीत केल्ल्या खासा सभेत सरकार हे विशीं गंभीर ना म्हणत संघटनेन सरकाराचो निषेध व्यक्त केला।
So you have the center turning the other side, not just turning the other side, keeping a stony silence, right? And nothing is happening. Of course, the Home Minister went there. I don't know what happened. I think nothing came of it, right? They're having some meetings in Delhi, but otherwise, nobody is really taking a serious, stand on this matter. So that is what is happening politically. These people have to fend for themselves. And these cookies, and they are simple, I won't say ignorant, but many of them are they are simple people, educated maybe to some extent, but they are the marginalized people. They are the ones who are bearing the brunt of this. Right? How can we keep quiet? Can we allow this is happening all over now? Right? Things are getting so polarized. So polarized. We cannot keep our eyes shut. And some people ask, when we put this, why are you bothered about Manipur? We should talk about Margao. Yes, we should talk about Margao, definitely, about Goa, definitely. But what is happening there, if something is happening in Manipur, it's not going to be far behind here, I'm telling you.